Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Rapids Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rapids Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, tap on Enter Wallet List option. You will now be shown all of your logged in wallet. If you don't have one, you can simply create a new wallet or import from an existing one using your seed or key. Tap on your desired wallet and then enter your password or provide your biometric. After providing either one of these, you will be logged in and taken into your wallet. You can now tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner and you will now see the change language option. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will see various different languages that are available. You can simply choose either one of these options by simply tapping on it, and once you tap on the done button at the top right corner, your application will restart and the changes for your language will take effect right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change language on the Rapids Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.